Hello and welcome to the review of the Hisense E7NQ from the 2024 TV lineup. E7NQ is the most affordable TV series this year to feature quantum dot technology, and it's positioned above the basic A5N and below the A7N and E7NQ Pro models. It is available in a wide range of screen sizes and costs less than competitor models with quantum dot technology. But how good it is, and can I recommend it? Let's find out. The screen is mounted in front of the bezel, which is a pleasant surprise for an entry-level TV. Another plus is the use of metal for the bezel and partially on the backside, which adds to the good feeling of build quality. The TV comes with two plastic feet for which you will need a screwdriver to do the assembly, or you can hang the TV on the wall. The TV has the following physical connectors: 3 HDMIs, 2 USBs, antenna and satellite inputs, Ethernet, Toslink, 3.5mm audio output, AV inputs, common interface card slot, and 2-pin AC power input. As for the wireless connectivity, you will get Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Bluetooth can be used to connect external devices such as speakers, and you can also pair the supplied remote to be able to use your voice to control different aspects of the TV. The remote control looks the same as last year. Perhaps it's got too many dedicated buttons, but I like the fact that Hisense left one button for a custom function which you can assign to any app or input you want. The TV comes with the Vida U7 platform, which I tested last year. Its layout and functionality haven't changed. You get a full screen home menu with a list of apps and recommended content from different services. The quick menu offers related settings while watching content, and I like the fact that the audio only option is one of them. Settings menus offer many options with quick help to explain which function does what. Coming to the picture quality, E7NQ performs well for its price category, but as previous models I tested, it is not for those who highly value accurate colors and white balance. The TV has a native UHD 4K resolution which offers sharp images in static scenes, but when the camera starts to move, a lot of detail is lost due to the characteristics of the panel. The panel is based on VA LCD technology which offers good native contrast, but low motion resolution and narrow viewing angles. This is nothing unusual for this type of panel, but in terms of motion, it could perform a bit better. Filmmaker and Cinema are the most accurate picture presets out of the box, but it was necessary to adjust the white balance to get a neutral image without a strong green push. While 2-point white balance controls were working well enough, other controls didn't, mainly 20-point white balance and gamma, so the calibrated picture wasn't as good as I'm used to on TVs from other brands. For sure, 43-inch screen size is not so big to notice this and to spoil the watching experience, but you can get E7N in much bigger screen sizes, so be warned. The TV does suffer from global dimming, so in dark scenes, the picture gets darker than it should and then lights up as more content is displayed, such as subtitles in a dark scene. It would be good to have a picture control to disable this, at least in the filmmaker mode. TV offers basic sound quality with two downfiring speakers. For dialogues and not demanding listening, the sound is acceptable, as is the case for basically all TVs. For a much better experience, connect the TV to an external audio system. In my case, I used a Denon AVR connected via an HDMI port that supports eARC and got multi-channel Dolby and DTS formats. Ultra HD 4K with HDR and VRR from 48 up to 60 Hz is supported, which together with low input lag in game mode is a good starting point for gamers. In Full HD, max refresh rate is 120 Hz. There is a dedicated game menu that allows you to quickly raise blacks to see more details in highlights and to see the number of frames per second in real time. If you need a more capable gaming TV, then check the E7NQ Pro. I was not able to get full color resolution no matter which mode I tried and if I changed the input name to PC. Time for the conclusion. The E7NQ delivers a really good package at a budget-friendly price. While its picture quality, panel response time and calibration controls leave room for improvement, it offers good value for most users. Its design and build quality, the remote control with a built-in microphone, and the fast and easy-to-use VIDA operating system add to the positive points. Before you decide to buy this model, check the price of the E7NQ Pro, which offers a high refresh rate screen and local dimming, for as little as €25 more at the time of making this video when comparing prices on idealo.de. If you're looking for alternatives, then check the Samsung Q60D, TCL C645 or LG QNED 80 series. What are your thoughts on this TV? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a great day!